This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 23, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.06 points or 0.27% to 400.26. Total trade volume was up with 51,140 shares changing hands at a total value of 281 million real or approximately $70,300. On the main board, 4 stocks were up. Leading the market was the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, up 1.30% or 80 real to 6,240 real per share, followed by Cam GSM, which was up 0.41% or 10 real to 2,420 real per share. The other 2 stocks up were the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port and the Phnom Penh Autonomous Port. On the downside, the biggest loser of the day was Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, dropping 0.46% or 10 real to 2,160 real per share, followed by Pestec Cambodia, which was down 0.41% or 10 real to 2,430 real per share. Grand Twins International was also down 0.40% or 20 real to 5,040 real per share. Meanwhile, Akleda Bank and MJQ Education remained flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land dropped 0.29% or 10 real to 3,430 real per share, while DBD Engineering stayed flat. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 20,618 shares changing hands at a total value of 142.6 million real, or around $35,660, roughly 40% of total shares traded on December 23rd. Cam GSM recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, but with a significant gap to the highest, with only 8,665 shares changing hands at a total value of 21 million real or $5,250, approximately 17% of Monday's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,019 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 107.97. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose on Monday as lower than expected U.S. inflation data revived hopes for further policy easing, although the outlook for a supply surplus next year weighed on the market. Brent crude futures rose 37 cents or 0.5% to $73.31 a barrel. Gold extended gains after a softer than expected U.S. inflation reading revived hopes for further monetary policy easing by the U.S. Federal Reserve in the coming year. Spot gold gained 0.4% to $2,631.89 per ounce, rising for a third straight session after bullion prices hit their lowest since November 18th on Wednesday on a hawkish Fed. U.S. gold futures eased 0.1% to $2,645.80. U.S. stock futures edged up in overnight trading Sunday as the markets geared up for a holiday-shortened trading week. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained about 100 points, S&P 500 futures rose 0.3%, and Nasdaq 100 futures climbed 0.4%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 23rd.